Hi, this is Troy with TabSite. In this tutorial, we're going to show you the features of our image tray and how to easily manage images within the TabSite Manager. Okay, so let's get started. What we're going to do first of all is drag an image to the drag pad up here in the upper right. So you can drag any image to this area and it will show up in your image tray so you can use it within your TabSite and drag it to the canvas. So I have an image off screen here of a little puppy dog. I'm going to go to the drop to the upload area. So drop that in there. You see it goes through a percentage. And the image actually shows up right there, and it shows that my images are loaded as well. So using the current image tray can be kind of slow. You can mouse through those and see it moves kind of slow. And if you have a lot of images, it can be kind of cumbersome to find those find the image that you're looking for. So what you can do is click on View All / Manage Images. What that does is give you an enlarged image tray, so you can see more images. If you have even more images than this, it'll have a scroll bar to the right that allow you to scroll down and simply go through your images in a much more efficient manner. You can grab them from here, you can drag them right to your canvas, and you can manage the images in that manner on the canvas. For the purposes of this tutorial, I'm going to go a little more in depth into how to manage images and so forth. So if you'll notice up there's my puppy dog image there that I uploaded, and there's also a button up here called Manage Images / Folders. So what we enabled you to do is create folders and organize your images a little more easily within the TabSite Manager. So I'm going to click on that button up there. It shows all my images that I have within the home folder, or the kind of the root directory of the images. So as you can see over here, I have already one called Photo Show. If I click on that, it'll show me some images that I have prepped for a photo show that I will be creating for a client of ours. You can also add folders utilizing the Add Folder feature. I'm going to add a folder called Puppy Image. So I add a folder called Puppy Image. I click Add. As you can see, that shows up as a new folder here. Right now, I don't have any images in there. It's blank. If I go back to my home folder, I click on the cute dog image. I simply drag that to the puppy image folder, let go. Now it removed it from my home directory and put it into the puppy image directory. So that's one way you can easily organize your images and find your images. If I back out and go back to the enlarged image tray, I have some folders up here. I have my Photo Show folder that you saw in the manager, also the one I just created called Puppy Image. So if I click on that, you can see that it'll load the images and put in that puppy images now the only image I have in that folder. So I can take that, and I can easily drag that to my canvas and manipulate that image from there. I can go in, I can shrink it, and so forth. So that is one way to manage images within the image tray. Another feature is how to delete the image and how to delete the folders and so forth. So to delete a folder, you simply right-click on the folder directory. You can rename the folder, or you can delete the folder. So if you delete the folder, it will delete all the images within that folder. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, since it's just for tutorial purposes. I've deleted that folder, and now that image is no longer there. It will still show up in your canvas, so you haven't completely deleted it. You just can't use it again. So it does still show up on your canvas within your TabSite. So that's one way you can delete images and so forth. Another way to delete images is simply, if you hover over an image tray, the enlarged image tray, you can click the black X. If I want to remove that gator logo, I click that. It'll confirm that. I can accept that, and yes, now I've removed that image as well. So that's a quick tutorial on how to use our new image tray, and we feel like it's a great way to help you organize your images and content within the TabSite Manager. Thank you.